Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Mireille. Mireille is here 1 year after her second procedure with me, her first procedure being with another doctor at our facility. So I wanted to follow up with her today for her 1 year result, and I'm going to put some side by sides there with her initial, presentation versus now, and you can really see a difference in terms of how she used to look and how she looks now, the types of styles she can now do. But I've said enough. Tell me about your experience in terms of the last year and tell me what you think about your results.
Um, to be honest, I think my result is extremely satisfying. I was a little bit distraught by the third month when I didn't see much results. Um, but 12 months later, I think I'm happy. I'm happy,
Good.
especially going from that first procedure. I'm happy with this one.
Right. And sometimes it takes one coat of paint, sometimes it takes two. So everybody's going to be different in terms of that and how it fills in. But let's model your hair if that's okay. I'm going to have you just kind of
Hmm.
turn to the side and hold it. And it
Okay.
could be right or left. Yep, perfect. So excellent. Just and look at how full that looks. Again, from where she was before. Good. Chin down a little bit there. But yeah, we can do that side. That's okay. Perfect. Right there, chin down. So that a lot of that is new hair, grafted hair. So she is able to really pull her hair back in a ponytail, for example, and go out and feel confident about her edges. So,
Hmm.
wow. Any issues
Absolutely.
with the scar in the back?
No, I think it healed perfectly.
Good.
I can't
Good.
even feel it anymore. So,
Good.
and the hair
Good.
is growing.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for documenting your journey with us, and again for showing your results. This is definitely going to help somebody in their process, and pay
I
it
hope
forward.
so.
So yeah, I appreciate it. If you could go back and do it this last surgery again, would you say absolutely? I'm glad I did it, or I would do it again?
I will do it
Yeah,
again.
I know you
Even
don't
though
want to, but you would. Yeah, yeah.
yes, I will do it again. Even though I don't need to, because I have great results
Right,
from now.
right, right,
So,
right. Awesome.
but
Well,
it was a perfect experience.
amazing. Well, thank you so much again, and enjoy your hair. Wear it in good health. Okay. All right.
Thank you so much.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.